How to put a voice changer on Roblox VC, mobile. Phones do not let apps rewrite your microphone system-wide, so a software voice changer inside Roblox Mobile is not really possible. These are the methods that do work. First, make sure voice chat itself works. Complete a Roblox age check, be 13 or older, and join an experience that supports voice. Understand the limitation. On iOS and Android, Roblox always uses the system microphone. A voice changer app running in the background cannot replace it. Option 1, hardware. Buy a small voice changer microphone or a mic mixer with pitch effects, plug it into your phone's USB-C or Lightning port, and select it as the input. Test the hardware in your phone's own voice recorder app first so you know the effect is being captured before you join a Roblox server. Option 2, external device. Play the changed audio through a nearby speaker while your phone microphone picks it up. Quality is poor, but it needs no extra setup. Option 3, switch platform. On a PC, free tools like Clownfish or VoiceMod create a virtual microphone that Roblox picks up directly. This is by far the most reliable route. Whatever you use, test in a quiet private server first, and check your volume so you are not blasting distorted audio at other players. Keep it friendly. Roblox rules forbid using voice to harass, impersonate someone, or mislead others about your age, and voice chat is moderated. Tip: be very careful with mobile apps advertising real-time Roblox voice changing. Most are ad-loaded fakes that only record and replay clips, and some ask for permissions they do not need.